One of the biggest lies we've been told about the stock market is that you need thousands of dollars just to get a seat at the table. For a long time, I believed that too. I remember staring at my bank app thinking, what can $100 even do? Is it even worth the effort? But here is the truth. In the world of finance, the when is much more important than the how much. Today, we are breaking down the exact roadmap to start your investment journey with just $100. We'll talk about fractional shares, low-cost index funds, and the one strategy that takes the emotion out of investing. It's time to stop waiting for enough money and start building your future. Welcome back to Financial Freedom Hub. Let's learn to be free. Technology has democratized wealth building. 10 or 20 years ago, high commissions and minimum balance requirements made it hard for small investors to start. Today, those barriers are gone. With the rise of fractional shares, you don't need $1,000 to own a piece of the world's most successful companies. If a stock costs $500, but you only have $100, you can now buy 20% of that share. This is a game changer. Your $100 isn't too small anymore. It's a seed that can be planted immediately. Remember, waiting for the perfect amount is the most expensive mistake you can make because you are losing the one thing you can't buy back: time. So, where do you put that $100? This is the part most people skip because it doesn't seem exciting enough, and it's exactly why most people lose money. For absolute beginners, the answer isn't picking individual hot stocks. It's index funds, or ETFs. Think of an index fund like a pre-packaged basket of stocks. Instead of betting on one company to win, you are betting on the entire economy to grow. When you buy a S&P 500 ETF, for example, your $100 is instantly diversified across 500 of the largest companies in the U.S. This drastically reduces your risk. If one company fails, you have 499 others holding you up. It's boring, it's simple, and that is exactly why it works. The secret to building wealth with small amounts is a strategy called dollar cost averaging, or DCA. DCA means you invest your $100 consistently every month, regardless of whether the market is up or down. When prices are high, your $100 buys fewer shares. When prices drop, your $100 buys more shares. This removes the stress of trying to time the market. You don't need to watch the news or check stock charts every hour. In the long run, time in the market always beats timing the market. Let's get practical. To invest your first $100, you need a brokerage account. Think of this as a specialized bank account for your investments. When choosing, look for 3 non-negotiables: 0 commission fees, no account minimums, and fractional shares. For my international audience, platforms like Interactive Brokers or eToro are great options. If you're in the U.S., Fidelity, Charles Schwab, or Robinhood are the leaders. I will make a separate step-by-step tutorial for each platform, like IBKR or Fidelity later. Today, let's focus on the strategy. The goal is just to get your account open. Don't let the paperwork stop you. Example: let's say you want to buy a share of a big tech company that costs $200. With a traditional broker, your $100 wouldn't be enough. But with fractional shares, you can tell your app, "Buy me $100 worth of this stock." You now own 50% of that share. That's how you start small, but play big. Now, where do you actually click? Don't just leave that $100 sitting in the account. You need to buy something. Here is a simple set and forget allocation for that first $100, $80 into a total market ETF, like VOO or VTI. This buys you a tiny piece of the 500 largest companies in the US. It's the engine of your wealth. $20 into an international or tech-focused ETF, like VXS or QQQM. This adds a bit of extra growth potential. The action: you log into your app, search for the ticker symbol, for example, VOO, click Buy, select Market Order, and type in $80. That's it. You are now an owner of the world's most profitable companies. You didn't need a finance degree. You just needed $100 in 5 minutes. The most important step isn't the first $100, it's the second one. To build real wealth, you must automate. Go into your banking app and set up a recurring transfer. Schedule it for the day after your paycheck arrives. If you earn $2,000 a month, tell your bank to automatically send $100 to your brokerage account every month. The psychology: by doing this, you've removed the decision-making process. You don't have to wonder if you should invest this month or buy a new pair of shoes. The money is gone before you can spend it. You're paying your future self first. In the beginning, progress feels invisible. That's normal. Your $100 might only grow to $105 in a few months. It doesn't look like much, but beneath the surface, your money is learning how to work. You are building the muscle of a millionaire. Investing $100 today is an act of faith in your future. It's a signal to yourself that you are no longer just a consumer, but an owner. In our next video, we're going to talk about the debt trap and how to clear the path for even faster wealth building. Click here to watch the next step, or check the full series here. If you're ready to grow your wealth, hit the subscribe button and join our community. Your journey to freedom starts with the first dollar you put to work. I'm your host, and remember, the best time to start was yesterday. The second best time is right now. Learn to be free.